So you want to start investing, but here's the problem. Everyone's telling you different things. Your friend is day trading Tesla and posting screenshots on Instagram. Your dad says buy and hold for 30 years, and you're just sitting there wondering which one's actually right for me? I'm Kalyani. I have a master's in economics from London School of Economics, and here's the truth. I've done both stock trading and long term investing. I've made money with both, and I've learned some experience lessons with both. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which path is right for your personality, your goals, and your lifestyle. No fluff, no courses to sell you, just the real facts. Let's go. Before we dive in, let me be clear. I'm not here to tell you one is better than the other. I'm here to help you figure out which one fits your life better. Because the worst investment mistake isn't picking the wrong stock, it's picking the wrong strategy for who you are. Alright, let's start with stock trading. You're buying and selling stocks in shorter time frames. Could be days, weeks, maybe a few months. People also try it for a few minutes on the other extreme. The goal, catch price movements and make profits from these swings. The pros, potential for faster returns. If you catch the right moves, you can see gains quickly. You're actively involved. If you love analyzing charts and staying on top of market news, this can genuinely be very exciting. You can make money in up and down markets if you learn the right strategies, but here are the cons, and this is where it gets real. Let me tell you what happened when I first tried active trading. It was 2020, lockdown. Everyone was at home watching the markets. I made my first $200 in the first week, and I felt like an absolute genius. I was checking my phone constantly, holding my phone in my hand, checking during family moments, before breakfast, during lunch, before bed. Then I lost $500 the next month trying to catch what I thought was the next big move. That's when it hit me. I wasn't investing, I was there with a gambling mindset, and more importantly, I was stressed out of my mind. So, here's what trading actually requires. It's time intensive. You need to watch the markets regularly, analyze trends, stay updated with the news. This is not passive. We're talking about 5 to 10 hours a week at the minimum. It tends to be stressful. Your money is moving fast, and so are your emotions. Can you handle seeing red in your account without panicking and selling at the worst possible time? It involves higher risk. Short term price movements are unpredictable. You can lose money just as quickly as you make it. And you need to have actual knowledge and skill. This isn't set it, forget it type of situation. It's a part time job. So, who is stock trading for? You need three things. You need time to dedicate to learning and monitoring. You need good risk tolerance, meaning you won't spiral if you see losses, and genuine interest in the markets. Because if you're forcing yourself to check charts, you will burn out. If you're working a full time job, have limited hours, or investing stresses you out, trading may not be your vibe. And that's completely okay. Now, compare that to how long term portfolio investing works. Maybe you check your portfolio once a month. You have similar money goals but a completely different lifestyle. This is also called buy and hold investing. What is it? You buy solid stocks or index funds and hold them for 1+ years, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. You're not trying to time the market. You're betting on the fact that good companies grow over time. Their business grows, so their share prices grow as well. Think of it like this: trading is like picking flowers. You get immediate gratification, but you have to keep going back out to pick more. Long term investing is like planting a tree. You wait, but eventually you've got something that grows on its own and provides fruits year after year. The pros, it's way less stressful. You're not obsessing over daily price movements. It's time efficient. You can literally spend a few hours a month managing your portfolio. Historically, the stock market trends up over long periods. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% annual returns over decades. In the last 100 years, the markets have gone up 78 times. Compound interest works in your favor. Your gains make gains. It's absolutely beautiful when you see this happen. Lower risk compared to trading. You ride out the volatility instead of trying to predict it. The cons, because nothing's perfect, are that it requires patience. You won't see explosive gains overnight. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Your money is tied up for longer periods. This isn't your emergency fund. You can't pull from this fund if you want maximum returns. You still need to do some research upfront. Picking good companies or funds matters. You can't just throw darts at a board blind, you see. It's not very exciting. There's no adrenaline rush, no Instagram worthy screenshots of I made $5,000 today. It's boring, and that's actually a good thing. So, who is long term investing for? If you want to build wealth steadily without constant stress, if you have long term goals like retirement or financial freedom, or if you simply don't have hours every week to dedicate to trading, this is your lane. This is where most people should be. And here's the truth no one tells you. You can do both. I do. I allocate 80% of my money to long term investments for stability and peace of mind. That's my foundation. Then I swing trade with 20% for active growth and skill building. That way, if my trading goes completely wrong, I'm not destroyed. I'm still building wealth with my long term portfolio. It's not all or nothing. You don't have to pick one team and stick with it forever. You can also change with the seasons of your life. You can start with long term investing to build your foundation. Then, if trading genuinely interests you, you can learn the skills properly and test it out with money you can afford to lose without it affecting your life. Here's the bottom line, there's no wrong choice, there's only the wrong choice for you. Don't let Instagram traders make you feel like you're missing out. Don't let your uncle's advice make you feel like you're doing it wrong. Your financial journey is your journey and it should fit your life, not someone else's highlight reel. So drop a comment below. Are you team trading, team long term investing, or team both? I have a wonderful risk tolerance quiz that I will send you in the comments. If you found this helpful, please follow along for more videos where I break down investing in simple, stress-free, and real steps. No gatekeeping, no BS, just the information you actually need. See you in the next video.